Haunt us forever. Open fire. Hey there, if you're hearing this, it may be your first night as a security guard in the restaurant Ronalds. Great, isn't it? I know. Working here may be kind of scary. You'd be surprised of how disturbed an employee can get after 6 homicides took place. Look, the last security guard was angry with the manager because he got fired and really needed the money for his family. The next day, he returned and shot everyone at the place. Yeah, it was awful. After that day, people stopped coming. So, we needed to bring our clients back. And we did it with the same technique as always. Buying animatronics. The kids love them. So we got some animatronics that move and spend time with the kids. But they move at night too. And they are looking for someone. In this case, it's going to be you. You don't want them close to you. So that's why we got some doors to stop them, lights to see them, and cameras to know where they are. You can't use them a lot because they consume energy. And if you run out of power, they will get you. And they will stuff you into an animatronic costume. And you know what happens next, right? Look, I've worked there before, and there's nothing to be afraid of. I swear. Well, that's it for today. Oh, I almost forgot. We once had an inflatable Ronald at the top of the restaurant, but it is now out of order and we stored him in a box. The thing is that the inflatable can move in dark rooms, so you may need to recharge the light of the room constantly. Well, good luck. Hey there, welcome to your second day of work. I'm sure you haven't gotten into trouble in that office, right? Well, the animatronics do become more active each night that passes, so you may need to be more active too, alright? Also, you should keep an eye on the chicken animatronic. It may run to your door pretty quickly. Well, I don't have so much time left. I really need to go. My son is in the hospital, and I really need to see him. Well, that's all for today. Good luck! Hey there. Do you remember yesterday when my son went to the hospital? Well, he got an infection, and I don't have any money for the treatments. I don't even know where I will get the cash. I guess I need to stay here. Well, you get back to work. Oh, and if you see the burger head animatronic in the cameras, you will be in big trouble. He will get inside the ventilation system in the office, and he will get you. So before he gets there, you should repel him with the flashing light we got for you. But try not to use it too much, since it does consume a lot of power, and it does take some time to cool down. Just be careful. Well, good luck. What do you expect from society when they just take what you really love? Forgiveness? That's not enough for me. My son could have been saved, but they just had to fire me. They only cared about the money, even though they already had enough. They never cared for people like me, not even for my son. Now I want revenge. I want everyone to feel what I'm feeling right now. Society had its chance.
Masks of